Check that out.
Hey, it's Griff with Simple Green. Today we're gonna be cleaning this fridge. Now, someone in the office found it online and got a great deal. But like with every good deal, there's always a catch. And this fridge is filthy. So we're gonna take our Simple Green all-purpose cleaner, a little hot water and a sponge, and we're gonna get all these messes out for them. Let's get started. Now you can see that we're dealing with mainly just normal fridge kind of messes. Spilled, sticky stuff at the bottom of the drawers, things like that. All right, these are the tools that I'm gonna be using. So I have a diluted bottle of Simple Green all-purpose cleaner. I have normal sponge, just a kitchen sponge, microfiber cloth, and a bowl or bucket of hot water. We're gonna start at the top of the fridge and work our way down. We're gonna pull all the shelving and buckets out and put those in the sink and clean those in there.
Check that out.
These messes are nasty enough that once we've pulled out the rest of the shelving, we're gonna wanna spray the entire thing down with our Simple Green solution and let it sit a minute or two on that big nasty buildup at the bottom while we work on the more easy to clean parts. Maybe gloves would have been a good idea here, considering this is somebody else's fridge. You don't have to worry about using gloves or a mask when you're using Simple Green because it won't burn your skin. It's also orally non-toxic and it doesn't have any harsh chemical vapors that can harm your lungs. Look what I just found. We took all the shelving off and everything. I've been cleaning the inside, but I found this note in the freezer on the shelf. How cute is that? Cleaning the outside of the fridge is pretty standard. Getting all that surface dirt and handle grime off before taking our racks and shelving into the kitchen for a good scrubbing. You gotta get all those corners and pockets of dirt out before rinsing. Then we'll dry the pieces and then put them all back together. I think the real trick is to just get past the gross, other people's dirt and messes part of cleaning the fridge, but we got a good deal on the fridge. Now we're kind of back to square one or zero on the fridge, and moving forward, it'll be brand new messes and will be a great asset to the garage. And it's all part of the never-ending quest to just continue to improve the operations of the family home and just make sure that everything's running as smoothly as possible. Well, we hope you tune in next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video and hit that bell so you don't miss any Simple Green videos.